Welcome. In this tutorial, we will write a simple JavaScript program that calculates the sum of the digits of a given number. This is a fundamental problem that helps you understand loops and number manipulation in JavaScript. Let's see how to extract digits and sum them effectively. The digit sum is the total when you add all the digits of a number. For example, 6098 becomes 6 plus 0 plus 9 plus 8, which is 23. If the number is negative, you convert it to a positive to avoid errors. The function first makes sure the number is positive. We then use a while loop to process each digit. N modulo 10 extracts the last digit which we add to the result. And math flow, where n divided by 10 drops the last digit from the number. We repeat until all digits are processed. Step by step, we handle negatives first to simplify digit extraction. Then, the loop strips digits one by one, from right to left. Each digit is then added to our total sum. Once all digits are processed, the sum is returned. Here's how the function works on different inputs. Even negatives work correctly because we convert them first, and each digit is carefully extracted and summed, confirming the correctness. Summing digits is a useful technique in many fields, from banking to barcodes. It's essential for validating numbers. It also forms a great exercise to strengthen your coding skills. We've built a straightforward function to sum digits in JavaScript. By using basic math operators and loops, we solve a practical problem cleanly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.